no, I can't see. I'm blind. Blind!
Ha ha! April Fools! Ha ha! April Fools! I've been keeping that carton of milk next to the furnace for 6 weeks. Sucker!
You're going down, Homer. I'm gonna fool you.
You talk better than you fool.
I'll fool you up real nice.
You couldn't fool your mother on the foolingest day of your life if you had an electrified fooling machine.
Got to fool him before the day is out. But how? He must have a weakness.
Ah, beer. My one weakness. My Achilles heel, if you will.
Beer! Beer is the cheese! But how to use it?
Woo! It's a good thing that beer wasn't shaken up anymore, or I'd have looked quite the fool. An April fool, as it were.
Hey, kid, that's for customers only.
Did you know there's a guy outside handing out free Stridex pads?
Wow, I'm in Pizza Face Paradise.
Moron.
Ay, no es bueno.
So thirsty. What are you gonna do?
The following is a public service announcement. Excessive alcohol consumption can cause liver damage and cancer of the rectum.
Beer.
That sounded like an explosion at the old Simpson place.
Forget it. That's 2 blocks away.
Looks like there's beer coming out of the chimney.
I am proceeding on foot, calling it Code 8.
We need pretzels. Repeat, pretzels.